I started with a sphere, deleted the half part, and grid filled it. Then I created the terrain using proportional tool. For the palm tree, I added a cylinder with some loop cuts. Then added a plane for the leaf. Added a solidify and a subsurf modifier to it. Then placed it on top of the tree, made some duplicates, and rotated them. For the chair, I added a cube. Extended it, duplicated it, and rotated it to make it look like a beach chair. For the cloth, I separated the top and bottom cubes, and connected the edges. Then for the fence, I added a plane to create a picket. Then added a curve path. I then added an array modifier and a curve modifier, and selected the curve as the curve object. Then I added a cylinder to create a signboard. Then added a plane and made it arrow shaped, and also added a text object on it. Added another cylinder for the beach umbrella. Separated the top face, scaled up, inset, and moved up. Then to create rocks, I added a cube. I subdivided it, and then with proportional tool turned on, I tweaked some of its vertices. Duplicated it to create some more. Then I copied the plant from my previous video and pasted it here. Then I added a donut to create a life buoy, and added a simple star to create a starfish. I then duplicated the starfish and placed it on the chair. Let's assume it's sunbathing. Then to create a seashell, I added an arc median curve under curve spiral. Added depth to it. And then rotated it 90 degrees, so it doesn't look like someone's poop. And then I duplicated the poop one more time. Then I added a camera, aligned it to view, and changed the resolution to square. Then I added a sphere with 16 segments. Deleted the top part. Added a solidify modifier. And then a subsurf modifier. Then I changed its viewport display to bounds. Added a ground plane, and scaled it up. With that done, I switched to rendered view. Changed the render engine to cycles. Then I added an area light, with power set to 100. For the glass, I added a glass material with roughness as 0. I then extruded the top part of the sphere to make it a bit taller. Then I duplicated the light, increased the size, and then rotated it a bit. I then added materials to rest of the scene objects. And finally, to make the scene look better, changed the look to very high contrast. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thanks.